Good morning, children. Once again, we are here for our English literature class. See, in my previous class, I taught you about different types of parts of the speech, we call it, like naming words, then pronouns, verbs, that is also called doing words, and adjective, that is called describing words. All these things we have studied in the previous class. So today I will continue my class with the it is called article a and an. See, and there are vowels also. So I will start from page number. Page number 4. Page number 4. Page number 4. It is a and. Okay, so and there are 5 vowels. You know, in your lower classes, class 1 and so on, you have learned. A vowels are there. How many vowels are there? Farhad, tell me. A, E, I, O, and U. These are called vowels. Okay. So children, now when do we use this particular A and when do we use this particular N? See. A is used before naming words that begin with consonant sound. So, this particular A is used when we have consonant sound. A is used when there is a consonant sound. When there is a consonant sound, the word begins with this consonant letter, and this "ein" is used when there is a vowel, the word beginning with the word vowel. See, the word begins with vowel sound or the vowel letter. Now see there. Now examples are there. For example, it has been given, so you know all these things, I understand. So now there are some examples. You see, a car, then an eagle, then a kite, an apple. But I can write here capital letter, no problem. A car, an eagle, a kite, an apple, an egg, then a boat. So all these things you can complete in your book. Okay, children. So these are easy for you. You have already learned in your class 1. Yes or no? Good. Now I am coming to next word, that is called position word. See. It is also called preposition. Okay. Now see, what are prepositions? You see that this position word tell us where someone or something is. Where someone or something is. For example, on, at, by, into, over, above, under, front, and behind, and some other preposition words are there. There are so many position words. Okay, children. So we can now complete here. Now let us see where this particular dog is in the example it has been given in the book also. So where this particular dog is. See, there are so many position words in the book. Okay. Now let us see the example here. The first one is the dog is dash the kennel. Kennel is a house of a dog. So where is kennel? The dog is, first example is in number 2. The dog is dash the kennel. The dog is on the kennel. On. Third one is the dog is dash the kennel. In front. Front is there. The dog is in front of the kennel. Number 4, the dog is dash the kennel. It is beside or behind also. It can be beside. The dog is behind or we can say beside also. It is in the side, beside. So these are the words we can fill in the blanks. Okay, children. Okay, now next one is, it is joining word. It is also called conjunction. See, it is called joining word. Next one is joining word. It is also called conjunction. You see. Okay. We call conjunction because it joins two sentences together, or two or more sentences can be joined. So it is called joining words. What are they? They are and here, for example, and, but, or, and so on. It is given here. There are so many other therefore, so many words are there. Joining words. See the example here. See, when do we use the joining words? See, words that help us to join two words or sentences are called joining words. So we join two or more sentences in particular passage or in our writings. Okay. So and, or, but are some examples of joining words. For example, he plays the piano and sings. Similarly, you can buy bags or books. Okay, so these are the examples. Now, the exercise is given here, children. So, in the exercise, you see how it is given. See, I will write only the word. See, tick the correct option. Tick the correct joining word. Number 1, see, a frog can swim. A frog can swim. Dash. No, a frog can swim and bird jump. A frog can swim and jump. So here and this one is correct. Number 2, Madhav. In the bracket is there and so Samir are good friends. Madhav and number 3, I like fruits. In the bracket but and I don't like fruit juice. I like fruits but this one is correct. Number 4, she fell down. In the bracket or but did not get hurt. She fell down but or there or this one is correct. Number 5, Sana can eat noodles. In the bracket but and or rice. So Sana can eat noodles or this one is correct. 6 number, one more is there. Would you like to buy flowers? Dash in the bracket or but gifts. Do you like to buy flowers or gifts? Or and but. This one is correct. So children, you complete in your book. Okay. I will continue my class. Here, one more. This one is there. It is called asking questions. When we ask, it is also called interrogative sentences. Because we ask questions. When in other words we say WH word. So it is asking questions. It is also called interrogative. See. Interrogative sentences. Let us see that. Now, see, next asking questions. What are the words? For example, here we use what, where, when, then why, how. See, all these words we use to ask questions. Now let us see some examples of them. For example, what is your name? See, what is your name? Question mark we are asking. Where are you going? Where are you going? These are all interrogative sentences. We ask questions. So children, see, for example, it is there. What is your name? How are you feeling today? Then, when do you say please or thank you? So many examples are there. So please, children, learn these things, question words. It will be very, very helpful in our further class. And then there is a work here, writing work. Our pet, Benji. See, you see there here nicely it is written. So it comes under writing sections. So children, this one I have not done it, but now I have completed. So again I will teach you in the further class. Okay, thank you very much.